friendly reminder for happiness today is just touching a tree and sending love right into the tree, and that love gets taken into the roots and spread to Mother Earth and spread to the root system where we all reside and walk, and it's just a nice way to ground and to feel really happy. The more we can spread love with our beautiful nature, the more we can feel alive and happy and grounded and loving and appreciating all what's around us. And that's the most important thing, is that we're so appreciative of our surroundings and the beautiful nature that keeps us in this beautiful world. All right, much love, beautiful people. Mwah. Bye, Amanda G.